The vaccines are safe.
It's a great vaccine, it's a safe vaccine, and it's something that works.
Every vaccine approved in Canada is both safe and effective.
It was clear that the vaccine was safe and effective.
The vaccines, as we all know, are highly effective and really very, very safe.
This is a safe and effective vaccine. The benefits of the vaccine in preventing COVID far outweigh any risks.
The benefits far outweigh any risk.
Both agencies have full confidence that this vaccine's known and potential benefits outweigh its known and potential risks.
The benefits of the vaccine outweigh the risks.
The benefits of vaccination, namely the tremendous potential to prevent infections and reduce deaths across the world, outweigh the possible but very small risk of suffering any serious adverse event following vaccination.
The benefits of these vaccines far outweigh the risks.
Do you continue to reiterate the kind of language that we're hearing from Health Canada, NACI, and others, that the risks of this vaccine are far outweighed or are outweighed by its benefits?
I absolutely do agree with that. I absolutely do.
So the Oxford jab is safe and the Pfizer jab is safe. The thing that isn't safe is catching COVID.
You can trust respected medical authorities. I believe I'm one of them, so I think you can trust me.